पास में, और पास में सर, माइक पास में लेके।
And here showcase what are the products we have developed, and then we have got recycling division in our institute itself, and Ministry of Mines is promoting recycling division so that all the promote the recycling, because the recycling sector is more unorganized, so we want to make it more organized, and in order to promote this recycling, we have got various intensive incentives for the general public, and we have got one machine here. We have got one collection of this recycled cans. So if anybody depositing 5 food rich cans, so they will get some kind of incentives here, and we have got various display materials. There are various display materials. So aluminum, copper, lead, and zinc. Lightweight, is telescopic, and we can easily carry this kind of extended use. Aluminum, most of you may not be knowing that it is extremely used in the aerospace industry because of its lightweight, and it is extremely recyclable. Almost 95% of aluminum can be recycled easily. Yeah, aluminum is the metal of the future, and again it is gaining a lot of importance.
ओके सर ने अभी जैसा बताया कि यहाँ पे एल्यूमिनियम की इम्पोर्टेंस बहुत ज़्यादा है, राइट? वी हैव सम यस, अभी जैसा कि सर ने बताया कि वी हैव अ स्मॉल टैंक। अभी आप में से कोई भी एल्यूमिनियम कैन लाइक कोल्ड ड्रिंक कैन, रेड बुल्स काइंड्स ऑफ कैन, यूज कैंस आप लेके आते हैं, उसमें थ्रो करते हैं। तो हमारे पास कुछ गिफ्ट्स हैं आपके लिए, तो जो सही कुछ गिफ्ट्स हैं जो कि आपका वेट करें। तो सर मैं आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस के आंसर जानना चाहूँगी। व्हाट आर दी मेटल्स दैट कैन बी रिसाइक्ल्ड?
Aluminum is extremely completely recycled. It is almost 95% is recyclable because of actually aluminum consumes lot of electricity when making it. So if you are exporting aluminum, finished aluminum, it is like you are exporting electricity from the country. So we have to do recycling so that we can conserve our natural resources also. And again copper is also extremely the resources are limited available, and lead and zinc. So lot of models have been developed for this recycling of these things. The Ministry of Mines is promoting recycling of aluminum, lead, copper, and zinc.
So we'll go with next question. So I have a second question for you. Is Ministry of Mines promoting recycling?
Yeah, actually Ministry of Mines promoting recycling. We have started our recycling division in our JNERTDC, and then we are framing, helping the industry to do the technical solutions for this recycling of all these core metals, and also we are installing various infrastructure to help the industry for this.
Now we are getting some ideas about the aluminium and copper as well. भाई copper तो सब बताते हैं, ये सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ आज के टाइम में यूज़ करने का। So we'll go towards the next question. So my next question is, what are the advantages of recycling of metals?
Yeah, as I told you, aluminum is very recycling friendly, and it saves a lot of electricity when we recycle it. So because in India there is no formal system of collecting of recycling products are not there, so just we are growing here and there, it is more valuable, and then we can conserve our resources very efficiently by recycling.
Okay. So sir, can you give us a short note for the people who are here? So just for giving them some knowledge about the aluminium or copper. छोटा सा short note देना चाहिए, जैसे कि लोगों को एग्जाम्पल होता है कि aluminium और copper क्यों यूज करते हैं?
Actually, copper is a highly conductive material, and but as a replacement of copper, because of the limited resources, aluminum is extremely other metals also like zinc is used for fertilizers and lead is